Hello and welcome back to Madeline and Penelope Capital. Today we're discussing Coinbase stock, ticker symbol COIN. As a disclaimer, this is not investment advice. This is just a research video that I put together meant to be educational as well as entertaining. We're going to take a look at just one article from Yahoo Finance and then we're going to jump into the charts. Thank you for your time. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe. Please enjoy. Okay, I'm not going to go through the entire article, but this is from Yahoo Finance, what investors want to know about the SEC's crypto crackdown. I'm not going to give Gensler a lot of FaceTime on here, but Binance is taking a big hit, Coinbase is taking a big hit, and a lot of misinformation or just a lack thereof. Moody's Investor Service has definitely been negative on Coinbase, and impact on SEC's charges on them. It doesn't look good according to Moody's. However, according to ARK and Cathie Wood, they like this news, right? They've been buying more shares of Coin, this entire time, which is promising since Madeline and Penelope hold ARK ETFs, we hold Coinbase. Anyways, Gensler, I don't know whether or not to dislike this guy or hate this guy or appreciate him for doing what he's doing in an attempt at lowering the price and making it more affordable. But he's comparing it to, the SEC's framework with this Howey company with the orange grows. Back in the day, it's an outdated thing. Anyways, whatever. But he's gone on to say that Bitcoin is not a security. And, so if Bitcoin's not a security, and then all these other ones are, and Coinbase is dealing in this area, and to me, he's talking out of both sides of his mouth. But anyways, let's pay attention to the charts. I'm here on my trading view on Coinbase Global. The beginning of the year since 2023, it had a promising look, but then all of a sudden, there's just this downturn. All of a sudden, I don't know where the negative turn at least for the SEC is all of a sudden coming about. It's not like Coinbase is a completely brand new company. Anyways, look, I noticed this channel. I'm finding from a trend line area, I'm finding at least two spots down, more like three from a really, really sharp move down and then rising up to making some support on a bottom trend line. And coming from the top trend line, I see two spots touching, and hopefully this trend line and this little channel that Coinbase is trading in will serve us as a tool to just pay attention to. Now, anything can happen. Obviously, this is not investment advice, but I'm just paying attention to the technicals. If it trades below this channel and it finds a level of support, around the $40 mark or the high 30s mark, I wouldn't be surprised either. But if this thing gets any sort of news, especially with BlackRock, tapping Coinbase for, an ETF or for a Bitcoin ETF, which is gone at length. It's not like this is a completely brand new thing. A lot of companies have been trying to get a Bitcoin ETF, a spot ETF, but BlackRock seems to have some power. I believe that if BlackRock gets behind Coinbase, then who knows? This channel could serve us well to leveling a level of support. So with that being said, we'll be paying attention to this channel, see what happens. Again, anything can happen, but I can definitely see more negative stuff happening with this company. And if that happens, to be quite frank, Madeline and Penelope will be picking up more shares of Coinbase as well as more shares of ARK ETFs. So, with all that being said, I don't think that it's necessarily a wise thing to not pay attention or to just completely ignore everything in the headlines and all the news. I think it serves me well to pay attention to what is really being said in these lawsuits, because again, I think that the SEC is talking out of both sides of their mouth with accepting one cryptocurrency over another. It shows a little bit of distrust, but anyways, that's all I got. If there's another company, ETF, IPO, cryptocurrency, or a piece of artwork that you would like for me to review and research, just drop it in the comment section below, and I would do my best to get to it as soon as possible. I know it's been a while since I've made a video, but yeah, let me know what you think, and I will be happy to get to it as soon as possible. Thank you again for your time. I really do appreciate it. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. It allows people to find my work and allows me to keep making these videos. All right, y'all take care.